Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a Facebook chat plugin to your Squarespace site. This is a great way to let visitors message you directly and improve customer engagement. Let's get started. On your browser, we need to go to this website.com. From there, we will create a widget. We need to click on Add Up Widget. Let's choose the general option, like this one. Once that's done, we just need to double-click and then connect to Facebook. We will continue with Facebook. Once connected, we need to click Publish. We need to choose what we want to do. Select this one, then decide where to place it and confirm. Now we have the code for the widget. We need to copy this code and then go back to Squarespace. On the Squarespace dashboard, we will select the website and then click Pages. Under Pages, we will go to the Custom Code section. Here, we will paste the code into the code injection area. Place it in the code injection field. Let's wait for this to load. Once ready, we need to paste the code and click Save. Let's wait for this to load as well. As you can see, the Facebook chat widget is now live on the site. That's how we add a Facebook chat plugin to a Squarespace site. With this feature, we can easily connect with visitors in real time.